experiment for the Children National Children Science Congress, which is this year in Bhopal. And in this Congress, don't know how many students. 900 projects. In this Congress, students will present 800 projects, 800 scientific projects. And yesterday we had some, and we could make a measure in the stadium we were staying, and we measured at solar mode. Of course, when the shadow is shorter, we measure the shadow here, this angle. You know, measure. And at different points of the earth, the sun has the same age. And I will explain you later how we can. So this is a measure. In this stadium, the students who make the measure here, some of you participated to this video conference. They are here. I present you Ravi, and I present you Ashish. Ashish is here also. He's from Uttar Pradesh. Milut? You are from Milut? They want to ask you some questions. Perhaps better to Tino, if you can answer in English, or Eleni, both of you, any one of you. Ravi wants to ask you a question. Mr. Ravi. My name is Ravi.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Ravi.
Πώς? Ωραία, έρχομαι.
My name is Ravi. I live in Meerut. What is your question? No, you don't want to ask. And I have a question. Who is coming? A boy. Whose name is? Your name is? Narinchit. He will ask a question. Introduce yourself.
Hello. My name is Naren Chetri. And my question to you is that, does science believe in God particles? And what is all about God particles?
And I live in the mountain area, not far from the CERN of Geneva, a very important scientific center where they make research on the God particle. So I know personally some of the professor working, and CERN is written CERN. I write on the chat, and CERN of Geneva is only 200 kilometers from where I live, and they are doing research on this God particle. I think they are working quite hard. In some months we will have some very good news. I don't know if I answer, but it's the only thing I know about God particle. Thank you. Ciao.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Tino. You were very good for answering to this question. I don't know how in this school, and not in the school is. Oh, hello, Cotton. Hello, Cotton. I'm pleased to see you. I think you have a microphone. Okay. So, Cotton is, I think, Matt. teacher teaching in this. I don't know if you could hear us at the beginning button, but I have here in this room students who don't know anything about Eratosthenes, and I use this video conference to show them what we are doing at the end of the measure. Yes, please, Cotton, you can take the microphone.
15 December 2013. Unfortunately, our school was flooded during the monsoon season. However, I'm pleased to tell you our school is shifting to another premise next year while waiting for a permanent premise. Hopefully later we can upload some picture in our new premise. Thank you.
I'm solving the problem from my students. They are trying to log in, but it's a little difficult for them. So I'm solving their computer problem now. Can we have the presentation later on? Because we have,
yes.
I think we have more than 3 teams from Taiwan.
All of you, Constantino, Eleni, merci d'avoir été là pour moi parce que c'était important. Je vous remercie beaucoup.
Entendez? Hello from Greece. As you know, it's the country of Eratosthenes, the first person who calculates the circumference of Earth. It was Greek. And Eric, I would like to thank for inviting me to this video conference. Thank you and see you all. Thank you.
Our work exchanging in video conference. So no problem if Malaysia has no measure, no problem if students from Taiwan, thank you for being there, Cindy, but just there is no problem if you're I see in the chat button ask what other activity were carried.
Hello sir. Hello ma'am, hello sir. This is Yash Agarwal from UK, from India. I want to have my one question related to solar energy efficient house. I want to ask that as the endothermic and the exothermic reaction takes place in the experiment, will it be possible to have it in the soil?
That know very much in science, and those questions, I'm sorry, but those questions are too much difficult for her, and for me too. Will the endothermic reaction or exothermic solve? Exothermic is a reaction that produces energy, calorific energy. So, are you talking about chemical reaction or physical transformation? So, I think we can have total reaction with the
You to produce
yes,
engine with low consumption, which is the goal? I would like to know which is the goal of this question. To produce engine with low consumption, to save energy, to use soil energy, I don't know, because there is geothermics and so on, but I do know exactly which is the main goal of this question.
you see, this is a
These both reactions are taking place in the bricks. But I want to ask, as I've sent a pipe underground in the underground level related to my project, and this reactions are taking in the soil, and if we send them more deep to the ground, then will these reactions take place? And these reactions I am using to exchange the heat from hot to make it cold, and from cold to.
I think, I think if yes,
I am interested in geothermics, and something I follow something from the technical point of view, but it's only personal. We are doing more and more exothermic. We try to have more and more exothermic exchange between, but we are using in the mountain where I am under soil weather, under soil water at different temperature, and we pump heaters from one place to another. But I think it's quite specific, and I cannot answer to your question as Eric told before. Sorry. Thank you for the question, and if possible, I will have some looks about. Thank you. Bye.
So I told you from Haryana State in India, and this is one of the two students who worked a lot on this sundial. I was making some meat, and he showed me that I was making some meat. It's very good, very, very, very good. So you can present yourself, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
My question is that we know what a glass prism is. Sorry. We know what a prism is and a glass slab. We see that light breaks into 7 colors when it passes through a prism. However, it does not do this in the two. That is the first. And when that is answered, I will. Because like there's two confusions in my mind behind the same thing.
So you are saying that when glass goes through, when light passes through, that it passes through something that has this geometrical.
Yeah.
So you can see a spectrum with this is, you are talking about this. This is the first.
Yeah.
So next time for the National Children's Science Congress in next year, you can come. There is no problem. Deepak Sharma is here.
It's gone on the phone.
So our colleague will arrange you something, and we can do something about this video conference. So I think we can stop. Can we stop? I have to thank you all of you for helping me for this video conference and being and we will stop now. Please, Constantino or Eleni, you are. Thank you, Gotten. Gotten, we could not see you. We saw you just for a moment because your webcam was not working. I don't know what I was going to say. I forgot. So thank you for being there to help me. Thank you very much. Yes, publish this video conference. Thank you, Cindy. I see you. Thank you, Cindy. I'm sorry for your students. Thank you, Gotten. Thank you, Malaysia. Thank you, Taiwan. Thank you, Italy. Thank you, Greece.
Thank you, Eric.
We leave you now. The students.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye, Cynthia. Bye, India. Bye, Tino.